MTDCNC have travelled to Derby to the Star 2018 Open House. I'm going to go inside and find out what the visitors have come to look at and what new technology is available. Why have you took the time out of your busy schedule to visit the Star Open House?
We came to look for a new lathe so we could start bringing the work in-house rather than keep putting it out.
Now, is it your first Star?
Yeah, it is. We had a look at the Mac show and identified Star as one of the best.
And what type of work do you do?
It's just small production parts. So.
For what industry?
For the aerospace industry. Do a lot of heat shielding and things like that.
And what kind of volume? I'd presume that would be low to medium volume?
Yeah, definitely. Small volume, but repetitive work.
A lot of people wouldn't necessarily assume that the sliding head would be the right machine for low to medium volume work. So can you give me an idea why, your considerations behind this selection?
It's just quality and rigidity, really.
And I suppose that you could, just change the programs, but run all these different parts out of one bar?
Yeah. Just easy to switch. And for small batch work, that's ideal.
Steve, you've just purchased another Star SR32J here at the Star Open House. What were your considerations when ordering yet another Star sliding head?
Well, we've been so busy with the 6 previous machines we've had. Work's picked up no end in the last 2 months, and the backup from Star is phenomenal. So we will always come back to Star. I spoke to Steve Totti last week. He invited me down to the show to see what machines we've got, and we've decided to buy this one behind me now. They're going to deliver it next week. That's the kind of service that Star give. It's just phenomenal. We'll fill this machine straight away, and I'm hoping that within a year we'll be looking at another one. So that'll take us up to 8. We're just looking to the future. It's really good.
Phil, I know you don't like being on camera, so thank you very much for your time this morning. Now, you're a massive Star user, so what do you like about these Star Open Houses?
The main thing about the Star Open House is you get to find out what they've got that's new, what's around. They have additional partners. It's always interesting to see what the tooling guys have got to offer. We've got mist extraction here, we've got LNS, so it's good to look at what's around.
And in regards to machinery, are you come to look for another machine, yet another machine?
We're always on the lookout for more machines. You've got to keep investing in this stuff so you get left behind. We've recently bought an SR32. We're probably looking for another one. I know today they've got the SR38J on show for the first time in the UK, so we'll be having a look at that, see what that's about, and we'll see how it goes.
Is this your first Star Open House, and has it been a successful day for you?
Yeah, it's the first time here, and it's been a good day. Yeah, we've come to see the ST38. We've recently placed an order for it on a turnkey.
Firstly, why the 38?
38 because we've already got sliding head technology, but only up to 20mm, and so we're looking for a machine that can take it up the range. This machine takes up to 42mm on sliding head.
So it's effectively just to increase your capacity?
It is, yeah, but it's also to reduce the number of operations. We currently do the work, we do it in multiple operations. This will allow us to do it in one operation.
So how many operations were you doing it previously?
On certain jobs, maybe 2-3 operations, but each time it has to queue up, it has to wait, it has to be manually loaded. This will be able to do it in an automated operation.
Now, you mentioned a turnkey package, turnkey solution. A lot of people wouldn't necessarily assume that this is one of their offerings. How have you found this process?
It's been good, yeah. I mean, we're subcontracts. We do lots of different parts. We do different parts all the time. We don't know what's going to come through the door. So what we wanted is a turnkey that had offered us programs for a range of our parts that covered a range of what we do.
Mr. Sasse, the Managing Director of Star, it's been another fabulous open house here in Derby. Now, what is the importance of these open houses to you?
Yeah, I appreciate that sales activity and sales engineer activity, but most important, I appreciate that customer using our machine.
This is really important. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Yet another truly fantastic open house at Star. Some of the latest innovations and technology have been on display. If you've not been able to get to the open house this year, don't worry, because this amazing facility is open 12 months a year, and I would really strongly recommend that you come and have a look at the offering Star has got.